High School Leaving Certificate Examination 2020 conducted by Board of Secondary Education Manipur begins peacefully with altogether 38,664 students appearing the exam. People remember Dr. T.H. Kishan, Y. Token and A. Rajan, who were brutally killed by NSC and IM cadres on February 17, 2009 on their 11th death anniversary today. Good afternoon and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News and I'm Premi Thangjam bringing you the top stories. High School Leaving Certificate Examination 2020 conducted by Board of Secondary Education Manipur, BOSIM started peacefully today. Altogether, 38,664 students are appearing in the examination, which will conclude on March 5th. Students appeared for English paper on the first day today. 70 flying squad of BOSIM kept strict eye to prevent unfair practice during the exam held across 140 centers. Students, guardians and teachers organizations extended full support to BOSIM to ensure smooth conduct of the examination. It may be mentioned that prescribed Group Alliance for Socialist Unity, Kanglei Park, Asok, an amalgamation of KYKL and KCP has imposed curfew within 200-meter radius of all the examination centers. On the other hand, Band on Imphal-Ukhrul Road called by JC against forced construction of Mapithil Dam hindered students appearing BOSIM Class 10 examination, which started today. Students were late for the exam due to the band. 4 out of the total 271 students of 9 schools coming to appear for the exam at Chingtam High School in Yangon-Bokpi, Imphal East District were delayed for almost 20 minutes. Parents and guardians of the students appealed to those concerned to withdraw the band, considering the plights facing the students. People remembered former Kasom Kulin SDO Dr. T.H. Kishan, his staffs Y. Token and A. Rajan, who were brutally killed by NSC and IM cadres on February 17, 2009 on the 11th death anniversary today. Mapari Ningsingkol Lub Manil organized a memorial event at Mapari Ningsingkol near Uripok Cherap Court Complex. Speaking on the occasion, Chairperson of Manipur Human Rights Commission, Khaide Mani, called upon people to prevent such inhuman incident. Members of various CSOs, women folks and family members of the deceased attended the memorial event. They paid floral tributes to the portrait of late Dr. T.H. Kishan, Y. Token and A. Rajan. Retired Principal of DM College of Arts, A. Dorendro, retired Senior SP of Nagaland Police, Potsangbam Sonamani, and Assistant Professor of Department of Political Sciences, DM College of Arts, Arambam Noni, spoke on the theme Understanding the Civil Rights Movement in Manipur, Changes and Prospects at the event. It may be mentioned that Dr. T.H. Kishan, Y. Token and A. Rajan were captured by NSC and IM cadres and later shot them at Tapo on Imphal-Dimapur Road.
Legidrabasing adugi mafamda Sardanjali Kachabaga Loinana. Asiguma Todokse, Amwana talk Tanaba, Eko Punamakna, Honaba Jami. Like the beginning, Tora Masida, Maruena, Nainagadaba, Adugumba team, civil society organization, Singbu, Moiki Moment, Masakang Magaloinana, Adugumba Moina Tengnariba, Aduga Madugi, Prospect, Towayaba Mayamdo, Adugi Matanga, Nainagadoribani, Asigumba, Naina Basida, Equina, civil society, Singna, Sanchel Iba, Yamna Democratic Moment, Asi Mapung Pana. Tabaksing aduda niti jana ekoi mairong yaba ganatantra gi mapangal hapase machi darkar lei.
Indira Gandhi National Open University, IGNOU, today held its 33rd convocation at Baba Saheb Ambedkar Convention Center in New Delhi with Human Resource Minister gracing the event. IGNOU Regional Center Imphal joined the occasion at Tribal Research Institute in Chikmagalur. Gracing the event, Commissioner of Higher and Technical Education M. Hare Krishna appreciated the achievement of 1,069 students who have successfully attended degree, PG diploma and diploma from the university. He lauded the initiative of the university established in 1962 to reach out education to youths in remote areas of the country.
Today, learners living even in the remote and difficult terrain of this hilly state can access and pursue higher education through open and distance learning mode. The bachelor's and master's programs are very popular among the students. Both the programs exhibit sustained growth of enrollment. There are 54 programs activated in Regional Center Imphal. Under Regional Center Imphal, 339 academic counselors are empaneled from different disciplines for various programs of IGNOU according to their experience and specialization.
One-day meeting cum workshop on All India Survey on Highest Education 2019-2020 was held at Maharaja Bodhchandra College in Palace Compound today. Speaking on the sidelines, State Nodal Officer of All India Survey on Higher Education 2019-2020, Dr. Gopal Chandra Bag said the workshop aimed to assess whether funds sanctioned for colleges and institutes under the Directorate of Higher Education, Ministry of Human Resource Development are being properly utilized or not. Assistant Director of Ministry of Human Resource Development, S.H. Chetun Yengor, Principal of Maharaja Bodhchandra College, D.M. Chandra, experts and teachers of various colleges and institutes attended the event.
Last year, we total 119 institutions leirame. Adu mununga 118 institute the data upload torame. This year, another 19 the add tore. So 138 institution registered tore. Leiriba Institute loi nomok di akoi registered toba pamba because otherwise not the mokoi loi data do incomplete leirame. All India basis ki अखोई मेन अखोई पाम्बाना लो इंस्टीट्यूट रजिस्टर तोबा मखोई की डेटा अपलोड तोबा अदु देगिना पॉलिसी प्रोग्राम सेम्बा नंबागी अदु रिपोर्ट देगी लाकनी अदु की दमुक्ता नसला प्रोजेक्ट 2010-11 देगी होगा अदु देगी एवरी ईयर डेटा दी अखोई कलेक्ट तोगा अपलोड.
And on that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we'll bring you news on 4-day Maharaja Priyobrata Singh Memorial Art Exhibition, which began today. We'll be right back. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Afternoon News. 4-day Maharaj Kumar Priyobrata Singh Memorial Art Exhibition began at State Art Gallery in Palace Compound today. Art and Culture Commissioner M. Joy inaugurated the exhibition organized jointly by Art Society Manipur and Manipur Cultural Integration Conference. Speaking on the occasion, Commissioner M. Joy expressed happiness over the emergence of talented artists and their incredible paintings and statues in the recent years. He assured of urging Chief Minister Nongthombam Bireen to extend necessary help from the state government to the artists. M. Joy asserted that there is an increase in the rate of participation by artists in the annual exhibition. He said the participating artists' creations give us social messages as they reflect issues facing the state. Annual winning painters and sculptors were felicitated on the occasion. Retired IAS R.K. Nimai attended the event.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ 2020 ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛ ꯋꯥꯊꯣꯛ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯁꯣꯁꯥꯏꯇꯤꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯥꯡꯒꯗꯕ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯏꯕ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯤꯕꯤꯠ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯌꯦꯛ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛ ꯋꯥꯊꯣꯛꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯌꯦꯛ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯈꯪꯕ ꯉꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯃꯃꯤꯠ ꯇꯥꯕꯅꯤ. ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯥꯔꯇꯤꯁ ꯈꯩꯅ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯏꯕꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯁꯣꯁꯥꯏꯇꯤꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯁꯦꯡꯕ ꯁꯛꯌꯦꯡ ꯃꯤꯡꯁꯦꯜꯁꯤ ꯑꯥꯔꯇꯤꯁ ꯈꯩꯅ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯏꯕ ꯑꯌꯦꯛꯄ ꯂꯥꯏꯁꯤꯅ ꯁꯥꯈꯤ. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ 2020
Hairog Assembly Youth Congress Committee along with Thoubal District Youth Congress Committee kicked off National Register of Unemployed NRU in Thoubal District today. The event was held at the MPCC President M. Okendro's residence. Attendees expressed apprehension over the rapid rise in unemployment rates of the country in the past couple of years. They urge unemployed youths to give a missed call to mobile number 815-199-4411 to register themselves. Attendees also carried out a rally chanting various slogans from Hairog Part 2, Maya Ilaikai till Hairog Bazaar as a part of the event. Helping Hands for People, HHP, Manipur has been conferred with National Award for supplying blood on need based to blood banks of top 3 hospitals of the state, namely Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS, Jawaharlal Nehru of Medical Sciences JNIMS and CJ Hospitals. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, Secretary of HHP Manipur Premjit Moirangthim assured that HHP Manipur will continue helping people in need. He said, Samarpan and Odisha Blood Donors Core Group conferred the National Award to HHP Manipur during National Blood Donors Conclave Utkal Raktavir Samman 2020 held at the conference hall of Shri Gopabandhu Ayurvedic Medical College, Puri on January 10th.
(28) states plus union territories singigi delegates ma'am je pulap punjhallaga network ama semaga kaiguma manipur macha ama delhi da layengba gi damakta leiba kanda e darkar la en khalasi awtadi manipur macha singna chatlaga e piba gi mohota delhi da leriba base toriba organization jingsina e piba delhi macha sina in case manipur da mung nare en khalasi de akhoina mung piba smai toro interchange tonaraga amaga maga mateng panaba gi network ama khatang sem sena aina hodok jabane aina puthok jaba view da mayamna su yam support tobire yamna athuba matamda akoi masi active oina walk to bong amani koina union health minister gi pampu biriba dr harshvardhan unanabagi appointment moina fix to kare unarama tungda pan india blood donors network haitare sumain toroga group ama tor semaga amaga maga mateng pangnanabagi tanjadu yam thuna laglagani maramaduna manipur dagi tongan ba city singda chatlaga koi layeng ba chapada kaiyuma e darkar la iba sing je helping hands for people manipur na yam chauna mateng pangbang amani.
Social, Educational and Cultural Development Organization Thoubal Khetri Laikai and Khetri Laikai Women Development Association have jointly organized a health awareness campaign at Thoubal Khetri Laikai under the aegis of 9th Sector Assam Rifles Thoubal Battalion. Health checkups were carried out as a part of the campaign, raising awareness on the benefits of blood donation. 9th Sector Assam Rifles Mantri Bukri Battalion held Luira Fanid Festival at Riha village in Ukhrul district yesterday. Cultural and religious performances highlighted the event. Sports kits were also distributed to the villages on the occasion. And now the sports news. Indian Arrows will face East Bengal FC in a match of the ongoing Hero I-League at Mumbai's Corporate Ground tonight at 7. In yesterday's league match played at Punjab's Guru Nanak Stadium, Minerva Punjab FC beat Real Kashmir FC 1-0. Aizia Perik Dipanda Dika netted a lone winning goal at the 44th minute. In yesterday's second league match played at Imphaal's Kuman Lampak Pain Stadium, Trau FC and Chennai City FC ended in a goalless draw. Chennai in FC beat ATK 3-1 in yesterday's league match of the ongoing Indian Super League ISL 2019-2020 at West Bengal's Yuba Bharati Kirangan Stadium. For the winners, Rafael Crivalero, Andres Cambry and Nerizis Valsky scored 1 goal each at 7th, 39th and 90 plus 4 minute of the match, while Roy Krishna netted a lone goal of ATK at 40th minute. Jamshedpur FC will face Goa FC in a league match this Wednesday. India Premier League IPL 2020 will kick off on March 29th with its final match on May 24th this year. Mumbai Indians will play against 3-time champion of the league Chennai Super Kings CSK in the opening match at Mumbai's Wankhede Stadium. Chennai Super Kings, Delhi Capitals, King 11 Punjab, Kolkata Knight Riders, Mumbai Indians, Rajasthan Royals, Royal Challengers Bangalore and Sunrisers Hyderabad will compete for the title of the league. Before we conclude, let's take a look at the headlines once again. High School Leaving Certificate Examination 2020 conducted by Board of Secondary Education Manipur begins peacefully with altogether 38,664 students appearing in the exam. And people remember Dr. T.H. Kishan, Y. Token and A. Rajan, who were brutally killed by NSC and IM cadres on February 17, 2009 on their 11th death anniversary.